Say hello to secure API authentication for Atlassian REST APIs. Powered by OAuth 2.0 tokens. Our plugin supports multiple OAuth grant types and JWT authentication to fit your needs. We've got you covered with popular OAuth providers, and if yours isn't on the list, no worries. Just use our custom option to integrate it effortlessly. Now let's configure Okta. Setup? Super simple. A few clicks and you're good to go. Easily test your tokens in Postman. Fetch, validate, and use them instantly. No more dealing with basic credentials, just smooth and secure authentication. And voila! We just added a comment using the REST API with a third-party access token. Need machine-to-machine authentication? Use client credentials grant tokens. Or securely validate JWTs with public keys or certificates. Try it out and simplify your API authentication today. Thank you.